It's been 5 months since I started trading with EA Studio robots. All these robots are updated every single month, and I'm using the top 10 Forex, crypto, and gold EA courses. Plus, I've also added this one here because I like the title. And this is my simulated live account, which has been going for 152 days or about 5 months. This account is still a demo account right now because I want to test this process out for 6 months first before I decide whether I move this to my live account. So far, things are going really well. This one started off at $1,000 and is currently up 38% with a maximum drawdown of 11%. And every single week, the list of strategies and currencies will change, so don't go by this chart on the right-hand side here. I just got an email from the Trading Academy that all the expert advices have been updated for the new year, so it's time to go and download these ones. Let's start with the top 10 gold EAs 2024, and I personally prefer the portfolio version where there are 10 strategies in the one file, and you can get MT4 and MT5 versions. You get the exact code with no license restrictions. You can keep this code forever. The difference between this file and the ones in here is that these ones are split up into the individual strategies. If you prefer to have one file per strategy, I prefer the portfolio version, so only need to attach this file to one chart. But you can't just download it and put them onto a live account straight away. If you've done any of Petco's courses, you'll understand that when you download them, you're supposed to put them on a demo account for at least 4 weeks. And you pick the best ones and move them to a live account. And the criteria to pick the best one is at least 3 trades and a profit factor of at least 1.2. In Petco's courses, he does teach you how to use FX Blue to grab and do the analysis to get the best trades, but I'm lazy. Next, to hop onto my VPS, and for this one I'm using DIP Gate VPS, and let's take a look at my current MT4 terminal, which has all the different strategies. You can see there are a lot of them already. This month, I'm actually going to cheat. You see, this takes a lot of effort to maintain this portfolio and many other portfolios that I have. And if you look closely on the left-hand side, you'll see the last updates I've made to this demo portfolio is the 3rd of November 2023. So I actually haven't added December's trading expert advisors into this demo portfolio. The cheat is that if you have EA Studio software, which I currently do have, I can skip this demo stage. For everyone else who doesn't have EA Studio, I will post a link in the description below to my previous video where I walk through step by step on how I use the magic number script to do my analysis and to pick the best EAs for the next week's worth of trading. This is the web interface for EA Studio, and I've got the validator set here, and I'm going to drag the portfolio expert advisors that are provided in December onto the validator. And if you double check the historical data, you can see it's picked up automatically gold M15, and we're going to go to validator samples. Everything is set to in sample, and the acceptance criteria I've set it to 1.2 with a minimum count of 3, which is what is taught in Petco's courses. Next, we're going to go into data horizon, and I've already selected the past month of trading. And click start, and you'll see that 7 out of the 10 have passed in the past month of trading. I'm going to sort it by net balance, so we can see the biggest one has been 640 trades and the smallest one has been 30 trades. But what we're more interested in is the smaller subset. So back to data horizon, and now I'm just going to pick the last week. Actually, the last few weeks, because the last week has been sort of the Christmas New Year period. So let's start with the 20th of December. Go back to valid collection and hit recalculate. And scrolling down, I can see the top strategy in the past week has made $93, and the worst strategy didn't make anything. So I'm going to click the X to remove that one. This one made a loss. That one made a loss. So we've got 2 strategies that still meet our criteria in the past month and past couple of weeks of trading. So I'm going to download both these ones. I'll add it to my portfolio, add them all. And now my portfolio has 2 strategies. I'm going to export them. You can export them either to MT4 or to MT5. I'll show you one more example. And here I've chosen the Bitcoin USD strategy. Drag this onto my validator and it's picked up all 10. Head over to data horizon and pick the last month of trading and restart. 8 out of the 10 strategies have passed, and I'm going to go back to data, change it to the past couple of weeks of trading, collection, recalculate. And looking at the top 2 strategies, the second one doesn't count because it has only had 1 trade, so ignore that. And I'm going to pick the top 2. Everything else can be deleted. XX. Add the top 2 to my portfolio and download this as MT4. So these are the 3 expert advisors that I will be trading this week. They're 2 Bitcoin, 2 gold, and 1 Euro US. You can see I've already added the 3 brand new expert advisors to my chart. So as soon as these currently open trades are closed by the FX Blue personal trade copier, I can close my demo account and save myself some VPS space. I'm really excited about this new cheat method because it is so cumbersome, takes up so much of my time, resources, VPS to manage all these MT4 terminals. So now I really want to ramp up my testing of EA Studio expert advisors because there is absolutely no grid, no martingale, single take profit, single stop loss. Fantastic.